Hello students, as we have discussed already about the average speed and average velocity. Here are some examples, numericals related to it. We have to use these formulas for solving the numerical. The A is if the particle travels first half of the distance along a straight line with velocity v1 and next half of the distance with velocity v2 in the same direction, then the formula for V average is equals to 2v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2. We have to use this formula for solving a numerical. If particle travels first half of the distance along a straight line with velocity v1 and next half of the distance with velocity v2, then we have to use this formula. Second, if the particle travels first one third of this distance along a straight line with velocity v1, next one third distance with velocity v2 and last one third distance with velocity v3 in a same direction, then we have to use the formula for average speed, that is V average is equals to 3 v1 v2 v3 divided by v1 into v2 plus v2 into v3 plus v3 into v1. So these both formulas we have to use for solving a numerical. Let us try to understand the numericals. The first numerical, it is related to a first formula. See, if the car covers the first half distance between two places at a speed of 40 km per hour and second half with 60 km per hour, what is average speed of car? As we have learned already about the average speed, here the two speeds are given, that is 40 km per hour and 60 km per hour. So here we have to use the formula, that is V average is equals to 2v1 into v2 divided by v1 plus v2. The given things are v1 is 40 km per hour and v2 is 60 km per hour. So you know the formula, just put the values in the formula. V average is equals to 2 into v1 is 40 and v2 is 60. Next, upon v1 plus v2, 40 plus 60. If you will do this calculation, you will get 4800 divided by 100. So the answer is 48 km per hour. The average speed of car is 48 km per hour. So the first formula we have seen, it's numerical. Now let us try to understand next numerical. It is related to a second formula. If the car covers one third of its journey with speed of 20 km per hour, next one third with 40 km per hour and last one third with 60 km per hour, calculate the average speed of car. They have given here one third. So you know the formula V average, that is average speed is equals to 3v1 into v2 into v3 divided by v1 into v2 plus v2 into v3 plus v3 into v1. So what is the given, that we will write first? v1 is 20 km per hour, v2 is 40 km per hour and v3 is 60 km per hour. We will just put the values in formula. So 3 into first is 20, next is 40 and last is 60. We have just substituted all the values in formula. We have got this 144000 divided by 4400. See here, if you will do this calculation, you will get the answer 32.7. It is point, remember, 32.7 km per hour. This is the answer. The average speed of car is 32.7 km per hour. So listen, we have seen the two formulas. With the help of these two formulas, you have to solve the numericals. If they will ask you the numerical related to average speed for a first half and for a one third distance. Thank you.